Welcome to our channel Hostnetindia. What is reseller hosting? A reseller hosting is a type of web hosting services where you need not to manage any type of server. Instead, you only rent a server, brand them with your own name and sell that server space at your own price to your clients. Create your own hosting plans and make money by selling them by the name of your own brand. How to run your own reseller hosting business. As in reseller hosting, you will be renting a server to your clients. Your profit lies in between the cost you are renting the server and the market price that you are charging your clients for the server space. 1. First things first. Before jumping into any sort of business, take a thorough research about what, where and how. 2. Pen down your services. Your competitor analysis will help you to determine what services and additional features you need to serve that require to build your brand. 3. Things you will be requiring for your business. For starting your online reseller hosting business, there are few things that you require for your business. 4. Customer support services. Most of the businesses prioritize customer satisfaction. In a web hosting company, your client or customer satisfaction wholly depends upon your technical support services.